Hello guys, welcome to today's WordPress tutorial video. Now, today we're going to talk about how do you go ahead and add a countdown timer to your landing page or to your web page, and let's just go ahead and take a practical look at it. So guys, I'm here inside my website. Now, this countdown timer, you can use it at various places depending upon suppose you have created a special landing page for a product launch and you're going to give an offer that expires, or for webinars that you want to give an offer that expires, or in general you just need a countdown timer in your website for some reason. All right, so all you have to do is come to the backend. In the backend you have to come to your plugins, right? So in the plugins, make sure now this is for Elementor. All right, so this is for Elementor. Now for Elementor you will have to install a add-on. Now the add-on is just search for premium add-ons, and this is the premium add-on for Elementor. Make sure you install and activate this. Once you do that, just come to the pages, just edit the page that you want. Go inside the Elementor mode. Suppose I wanted to edit this about page, and I will edit it in Elementor. And once I'm here, now I will whichever section I want to add it, I'm just going to add a new section over here, and I'm just going to just a sec. I'm just going to add a single layout section. Okay. Now in my widgets, I'm just going to search for count. And as soon as I do that, you will see there's a counter, there's a counter, there's a countdown. This countdown is locked because this is the Elementor's Pro version and this is not available for us. But a countdown, another countdown has appeared, and that's premium add-on if you see PA. I'll just drag it and place it here. Now, once I do that, I will have this counter and I have the settings options open. Firstly, it's the content tab. Inside the content tab, this I have the countdown style. I can keep it to block. You don't need to play around with this. You can try to play around with this, but basically the main settings that we need, I'm just going to discuss that. Firstly, due date. When do you want this to, like when this counter will be ending? So if I click on the 15th, now it's telling me as per that the number of days, the hours, the months, like the minutes, the seconds. You can choose these things, right? What you want. Now the time zone. Now if the time zone is not coming out to be correct, either your WordPress settings are not set. That you for that you have to go to your the settings panel, and inside the settings panel, just go to the general settings, and there's a time zone option. Make sure you select the correct time zone as per your country, right? Now for India it's Kolkata, Chennai, right? So you just select that, and if something is not it's not taking like that, what you do is you can set the user local time as well, but make sure you try to set it to WordPress default and set your time zone. All right. Now the time units you can choose. If you don't want months, just close this. If you don't want days, like suppose I don't want months, I can close the months part. Now I will have days, hours, minutes, and like that. So I can choose what I want over here. After this, you can set a flipping effect. This is quite interesting. If I set that, it's going to, make a flip effect like this. So if you like this, you can choose this. You want digit separator, that's going to put a colon in between. And separator text, you can choose. If you don't want a colon, you can put in something else like a dash. If you want, put in a dash. It's up to you how you want to set this up. All right. Now your alignment, left align, center align, right align, you choose that. Now once it gets expired, suppose this countdown gets expired, what should be shown? You can show, okay, so the offer expired, better luck next time, whatever you want, right? You can choose it and put it here. Strings translation, you don't have to play around with this, but if you want to, it's just going to change. Suppose this is days. If I don't want the days, I want something else. I don't think so I would want it, but just as an example, if I want A here, right? So I'll just type A and you will see it's changed to A. All right. But I don't think so you need to play around with this. Next, let's go to the style tab. Inside the style tab, you will have customization for digits, customization for units, customization for separator, and customization for the expiration message. So for the digits, you can put in the colors if you like, whichever color that you want. You can choose the color that you want over here. Typography, you can choose the background color. If you want, you can choose any background color. So it's going to be applied, right? Box shadow, it's going to be applied. You can choose the background size. You can let it be as per how much you want it, right? So you can see how the background color is changing, and you can set that. You can put in the borders if you want to, right? And you can put in some border radius if you border width and border radius if you want to, right? uh you can set the border color, okay, like this. And you can same thing for the units, you can put in the colors that you want. If you want colors like this, it will say I'll change it to this, like background color. Typography, you can change. Separator as well, you can change the size of the separator like this, right? You can change the color of the separator. So you get complete customization options from margins to everything, and same for the expiration message. I would like you to play around with these settings. It's fairly simple. If you know Elementor, it's something that you can completely customize as per your wish. So I hope so you're able to understand how do you go ahead and add a countdown timer. That's all for this video, guys. So thank you for watching this video.